Did you know that buildings expand when it's hot out and contract when it's cold out? Just like everything else? Well, that's why understanding glazing systems is so important. Because we need to take into consideration how the metal and the glass will move in comparison to the other building materials. But fear not, glazing systems are designed to address this issue with a combination of different styles of attachments and splices. As you can see from this mock-up, I have a splice in the middle and two different anchors. The bottom one is a windowed anchor, which allows the system to move up and down, like that. The top anchor is a deadload anchor. This one holds the top of the system in place. And in the middle, you can see that I have a splice right here inside of this mullion cutaway. This allows the system to travel without disconnecting. And the beauty of this is that they can be moved around, allowing architects and engineers to hide them in the design. You see, architects worry about the way the building looks and the way that it's being used. Engineers have to worry about making sure it works, and both of them working together with the glazing contractor can figure out where to put these to make sure that they're both invisible and functional. If you want to learn more on this topic, make sure you check out this course over on LearnGlazing.com. And as usual, if you want to learn more about glass, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons here at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.